Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin with essentials: an updated iPhone, Apple ID with two-factor, and your physical bank card in hand. Open Wallet and tap the plus button to add a card. Choose credit or debit. You do this now because the camera and bank verification need the card visible. Once prompted, align the card in the frame so the app scans numbers automatically. If scan fails, tap Enter Card Details manually. This saves time and avoids camera errors. After inputting card details, review and accept the bank's terms. This authorizes tokenization for Apple Pay. Next, set your default card and enable Face ID or Touch ID for secure payments. This prevents accidental authorizations. The bank will verify you. Expect an SMS code, a push to the bank app, or a short automated call. Enter the verification code when prompted. Once verified, Wallet receives a tokenized card number. Complete setup by making a small contactless payment or an in-app purchase to confirm the card works. If the ad or verification fails, first make sure your iPhone has current time, a strong network, and no outstanding holds on the card. Then retry verification. If problems persist, remove the card from Wallet and re-add it, or update iOS and try again. One key troubleshooting tip: contact your bank to confirm they support Apple Wallet and that there are no security flags on your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.